I be that young rapping dude, might just trap with you, coming with the gun.
Huawei P40 launch is near. What do you think of this teaser poster? Triple selfie camera, or dual selfie camera with LED flash? One thing is sure, that we're gonna get lots of color options. Huawei P40 Pro protective glass confirms it uses a 4-curved screen design. Honor 30s coming soon, powered by the new Kirin 820 chip. Motorola Razr launching in India, on 16th March. To be sold via Flipkart. Realme 6i. The world's first smartphone with Helios G80 and 18 watts fast charging launching in Myanmar on 17th March. iPhone 12 mass production of the 5nm, A14 chip will begin in April. Vivo S6 gets 3C certification, supports 5G and 18 watts fast charge. Lenovo Legion Gaming Phone will be cooler than RedMagic 5G. The poster shows a heat map of a smartphone, along with the text "No red, it's magic," thus suggesting that the Legion Gaming Phone will have a better cooling system, as compared to the just-launched RedMagic 5G. Google is finally working on Gcam 7.4, to record 4K video at 60 frames per second.